Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Sweet and Nails, and if you are new here, thank you so much for joining me. I hope everyone is doing amazing today. I am going to be doing a set using one gel from the Beetles Gel Mani Time with Mom collection. I won this in a giveaway that they were hosting on their Instagram, and so this video, it's going to be a little more relaxed like my last video, but I'm going to be coming in hot right now because I got something to say. On this bottle, it says it is HEMA free, but then there is an asterisk with a disclaimer on the back of the bottle that says HEMA free means that we don't intentionally add HEMA to the ingredients. Um, I I don't know what that means because it could be taken multiple different ways, and maybe I'm thinking about it too hard, but I just want to say if it's HEMA free, then just say that. And I know I'm being sassy about it, but I'm being sassy about it because I do have other gels from them that just say HEMA free, but on this collection in particular, it says HEMA free and then it has a disclaimer on the bottle. So I'm just a little confused by that. But, anyways, I am using this color as my base color on all of my nails, and I'm not going to be showing you guys every single individual nail that I did with the cat eye design because it gets pretty repetitive, and for the sake of editing this video on my end, I just showed you how I did one nail. I was kind of going for like a cyber sigilism look, but I was kind of conflicted in what I wanted to do in general because I got these silicone molds for making flowers because I am terrible at trying to make the flowers. I've tried it with polygel, I've tried it with the Kira Sky Flex gel, I've tried it with some 3D clay for nails, and I just cannot get it right. I don't know what I'm doing wrong. Say I'm cheating or whatever, but if I have something that can help me do what I want to do, I'm gonna take that opportunity. So I don't really have anything else that I want to say, so I'm just gonna let you guys enjoy the video and I will pop back in at the end. here is the final look. Thank you all so much for joining me. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Leave me a comment. I always love hearing from you all. And don't forget to subscribe because there's going to be some fun stuff happening on my channel. Again, thank you, and I will see you next time. Bye-bye.